TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body, and you go against yourself, and it will take longer to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up, finish up 80, NASDAQ up 13, S&P's up 1, gold contract up $16.30, trading at $12.57 an ounce. Silver up 42 cents, $16.09 an ounce. Let's go over to that gold market right away. What do you have with gold? Gold caught a bid, silver caught a bid, bonds caught a bid, King Dollar got smoked. So gold contract up 16 bucks. What we did yesterday you came down to the high of the strength from last July 14th. You rejected it. You go topside today. You have the price spread. You have the volume. I suspect now what you're going to see, we're at 12.57. 12.68 is the number. You get back inside 12.68, and you're going to have some big action. Silver also caught a bid out here. Silver was up 2.6%, 42 cents. Silver also had the price spread, had the volume behind the move. That was up 82,000 contracts. We're at 1609. To get inside the higher range, you're going to be at 1665. We take a look at some of the equities. GDX also caught the bid, caught a really nice bid. Oh, look at that volume in GDX, man. The GDX volume always comes in at the end. A lot comes in at the end. We needed 51 million shares. Folks, you get 71. GDX, that's monster volume. You get buyers. You're at 2216. Inside 2230 gets you in the higher range. That'll get you a price projection up to 25.55, which is the high of September 7th. The SLV, we take a look at the SLV. That also caught a bid. That was up 29 cents, $15.15. That has to get back inside 15.62 in order to get inside the higher range. Notes and bonds, bottom line, top side, here they go. We take a look at it, and this is just so ironic that the Fed goes up on short-term rates. The Fed says they want to go up 3 times in 2018 on short-term rates, and the market says, you know what, I'm going to buy. And as the market's buying, rates going down. We had the 10-year do 1.5 million contracts. You're at 124.20, monster move. Bottom line, 10 years going after 125.14, which is the swing high from the 13th of October. Now, the 30-year, different animal. The 30-year, folks, is really strong. The 30-year blew away at swing points. Swing points we're talking about as a consolidation going all the way back to September 22nd. 30 years up a full point, 298,000 contracts. Bottom line was game for that is 156.14. which is the highs of September. King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? Check it out. So King Dollar just couldn't handle higher price. Bottom line, you go south, you have some volume on the move. We did 16,000 contracts. You're at 93. You have a swing point at 92.130. I expect you're going to go after that number one. We'll see how it handles it. Very well could be a small ABC down, which would take it into the 90.68. And if that's what you get, what you're going to see is that you're going to see an aspect that this very well could be a much larger ABC structure down on a yearly basis. Because when you take this back, you're going to see that the first leg down was pretty dramatic this year. January 3rd, we were at 103 in the dollar. It goes down to 90, bottoms out in September. Does a nice counter trend bounce. Well, actually, it did a weak counter trend bounce. It was a 0.27 counter trend bounce. You get up to the price point of 95. You give it up. If we break that 90.90 and you have volume on that break, what that's going to set up, folks, is that's going to set up 82 King Dollar. Cryptocurrencies, if you want to see what kind of a bubble that we have in here, it's pretty amazing. I believe we had got a couple calls, I believe, on this stock too. Crypto company. So check this out. Companies rebranding themselves from cryptocurrency firms aren't the only ones benefited from Bitcoin mania. A crypto company today disclosed a private stock sale to accredited investments. Now check this out. at $7 per share. Now, that, folks, is a 97% discount from yesterday's close of $223. Now, how does that work? Check it out. Investors typically expect a discount in exchange for participating in these sales, but a markdown of this magnitude is rare, if not unprecedented. I've never seen a markdown like this. Bottom line here, I'll walk you through how this came about. The $7 offering was communicated to potential buyers weeks ago, before the stock surged more than 3,000% to its $642 peak on December 11th. Okay? So, what is this stock all about? What the CEO is saying, we could have let the sale go on for a few more weeks and taken more money. The decision was made in consultation with our counsel that it was best to close it now. Crypto is not the only company in the space to offer shares amid soaring valuations. Hive Blockchain today announced a maximum 100 million Canadian, 77 private placement, with the stock up more than 3,200% this week. Last week, in Bitcoin Investment Trust announced it will resume its private placement, with shares up nearly 1,300% year to date. Bottom line is that, let's go bring this up. Bottom line in these stocks too, by the way, here, let me read the end of this, because this was up in Vancouver. We've talked about this a few times. You take a shell company, you turn it around, you change the name of it, and you go after a new product, or at least you say you're going after a new product. That's what this company did. This was a water company that basically was a shell. They changed the name of it. They changed the name of it to crypto company. And let's go see. I suspect they don't take in a dime. There you go. Oh, yeah, no. Hey, guess what, man? They took in $6,000 in the last quarter. $6,000. So check it out. People are going to lose so much money here. It's disgusting. They have a market cap, folks, of $6.1 billion. You got to be kidding me. Yeah, they got a market cap of $6.1 billion, and they took in $6,000. How's that? And they just sold the stock to the insiders for $7. You had a $314 stock. They just sold it for $7. You think they're going to sell into the marketplace? Unreal. You stay right there, folks. We're going to come back with our man, Mr. Chris Gaffney, the president of Everbank World Markets. Coming right back.